It's eBay's best secret tech back to school deal of the week. I have the coupon code to lower the price on something you and your smartphone need. You need it. It brings power to the people. Not really referring to me, although I would love if you need me to find the lowest prices for you on a daily basis. I need you, though, to continue watching. Hello, subscribers of the YouTube Deal Mac Reddit. And I am so excited because this is something that I rely upon where you're not going to believe the price that I found, which only works with a coupon code on a dual power wireless smart power bank. I'm going to show you why it's smart, why this is something that I purchased just before Prime Day, which was on sale for Prime Day, which is now at a lower price and something I cannot go anywhere without. I travel a lot, and I actually just returned from a trip where I was in one of those float planes. This is, I don't know if you can see this, but I had a weight restriction of, I think, 25 pounds total, including a carry-on. And this is my handsome backpack. Oh, by the way, that's also on deal. If you expand the video description box, you go to mattsdailydeals.com. You can score any of the items that I'm showing you, including this amazing dual power bank in a moment. But when I'm traveling, one of the things that I don't want to start reaching for, I don't know about you guys on an airplane, is where's the charger? No one wants to do that. And if you have a power bank or even any of the traditional power banks that I may have featured in the past, probably got rid of them because they were upsetting me. There's USBs and micro USBs and all of these ports. And wouldn't it be much nicer just to turn your power bank on like this, put your smartphone against it. It's 1/11, make a wish. Also my dad's birthday. Happy birthday, Daddy. August 22nd. And by the way, I shoot these videos in advance sometimes. I don't know if you're knowing this, but that's why you're seeing this a little bit later. But there, no wires, no worrying. I'm going to show you how this works in a moment. But first, more importantly, let's get to the coupon code that will score you my favorite power bank. The Decibel Dual Wireless Power Bank, which works wired or wireless, because I'll explain this all to you in a moment, is a phenomenal deal right now for back to school, and this is what you need to score the deal. So you can over to mattsdailydeals.com or expand the video description box. Doesn't matter. You'll find a link. The link will get you this power bank, but this is what you need to do to score the deal. See where it says buy it now, add to cart, make offer? Don't click buy it now or add to cart. Click make offer. And instead of paying $54 for the item, or $54.99, this is what I want you to do. Offer $30 for this price. I guarantee that if you use the coupon code, you will get this. Disregard what it says about increasing your offer to $41.24. That is not necessary. And then click where it says add message to seller and type in the coupon code back, the number 2, school. See there? Back to school, all one word, lowercase caps, doesn't matter. Just make sure it says back to school with the number. And then click review offer. Your offer, $30, shipping $3.99 flat rate shipping, which is awesome. And then when you click submit offer, that goes to the merchant or the retailer, and you will be able to score it at this price. You'll get an email from eBay within 5 minutes, 24 hours, somewhere within that vicinity, where as long as you click accept offer and finalize your payment, you will score this $55 power bank, which is equipped with features, which I will get to in a moment, for $30 with that $4 flat rate shipping. That is an amazing deal. Let me show this to you up close. Just in terms of a size comparison, this is basically the same size as the iPhone X. Just want to point that out because it has some very pocket size friendly dimensions. You know immediately when you turn it on what amount of charge you have left. And I should say this is actually awesome because I use this back and forth on a quick flight between Toronto and New York, and I still have a ton of battery power left. 2 ways to charge. If you have any recent iPhone or Android, the Samsung devices are equipped with this as well. QI charging, you've seen that everywhere. This is a QI charger. You put this on, charging, perfect, ready to go. If you do not have that in your phone, this is a great thing about this. You have 2 outs on this phone, meaning you have 2 outputs where you can charge different things. So you have a USB out, which means I can plug this in right here. And then you also have a USB-C out, which is phenomenal. Very exciting to see, not only at something this price, but these days that's a little bit rare. And then I could charge something else via USB, or I could use a USB-C to USB-C. So for example, if you had a tablet that is a USB-C powered device, you could charge it via there. But just to show you how powerful it is, for the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to charge an iPad Pro. So we're going to put the iPad Pro into here. And because this is a dual charger, this is now charging, and my very demanding iPhone X is now charging. And if you're wondering, these are alerts notifying me that my bubble tea order will be picked up soon. Awesome. pocket-sized power, basically your own personal power generator. And then if you wanted to incorporate a USB-C device as well, you could essentially charge 3 devices simultaneously. With that being said, it's not a massive output. This is not like that personal power generator that I featured a while ago. So just keep in mind that you can't power a MacBook with this, and that is USB-C charge. But look, while this is charging, I mean, it's still at 60%, and it is going to be at 60% as it continues to charge these devices. It has a lot of power. Ideal for back to school, for travel, for any situations where you want to pack and not have to worry about with cords and plugs and things like that. If you've ever sat with me on a train, a bus, airplane, I'll often have, just even on my seat rest, I'll put this down and then I'll put the phone on top of it. It doesn't seem to slide around too much. And then I can look down at my content, enjoy it, and then while I'm watching a movie or I'm streaming, or even looking at phone calls or email, it's charging. And if you find that too cumbersome, again, just use the lightning cord that came with your iPhone and you'll be able to use this as a power bank. But just from a pure size standpoint, this is a lot of power for something this small. I love it. It's thin, great price. If there are other items that you want me to test, please feel free to drop me a line. I will test those items for you. And if you're looking for more coupon codes to lower your prices on Amazon, Best Buy, Walmart, a whole array of merchants that I have lined up, this is what you can do. Just click on my head to subscribe to this channel. That will get you to where you need to be. Don't forget to turn on your notifications. The demo is up there. And that last big roundup of deals I did, right over here.